Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix can't install app in Google Play Store. So for this purpose, first you need to open Play Store app on your mobile phone. Then here at the top right corner, you have your profile icon, tap on it. Once you click on your profile button, then this type of page will pop up on your screen. Here you have the settings option, click on it. Once you click on it, then settings page will appear. Here you can see the option of network preferences, tap on it. Then click on app download preferences and then tap on over any network. Once you tap on it, then click on OK. Once you're done with this, then go back to your home page and click on settings. Once you click on it, then settings will appear on your screen. Here you need to scroll down. Then here you have the option of apps, just tap on it. And here again you need to scroll down. After scrolling down, here you can see the option of Google Play Store, tap on it. Then app info of Google Play Store will appear on your screen. Here at the bottom right corner, you have the button of force stop, click on it. Once you're done with this, then go back to apps and then click on Google Play Services. Then again here at the bottom right corner, you have the option of force stop, tap on it. Once you've done these all steps, then go back to Play Store and sign into your account. So this is how you can fix can't install app in Google Play Store. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.